Are you feeling overwhelmed by everything that is happening around you? Do you feel that you are always in a rush? And do you feel like your problems are crippling you? In this audio guide, allow me to guide you into shifting your focus away from your problems into a state of temporary timelessness. Let us begin. If you are willing, allow me to invite you to gently close your eyes and find a position that is comfortable. Breathe deeply, focusing on the rhythm of your breathing. Allow me to take you on a journey to a few places with its own stories to tell. First, let me take you to an old street. Imagine you are somewhere high above an old street. It could be a street that is familiar to you. You see people passing by. And if you hear carefully, you might hear the chatter among the footsteps. You feel the streets absorb the emotions in the air. You take a moment to enjoy the view of the old street. You realize that this old street has been around for many generations. And the street has witnessed everything, from the small sorrows to the joys of people before you. You are but only one story in the many stories that the street has witnessed. Now, follow me to the seaside. Visualize that you stand by the shore, looking out into the vastness of the ocean. You see where the water meets the sky. You soak in the magnificent shades of blue. You listen to the waves washing up onto the shore, as if it was forging its own song. You take a moment to enjoy the view of the ocean in front of you. You realize that waves after waves have endlessly rolled onto the shoreline ever since there has been water. While you struggle to find the energy to fight the ups and downs you experience in life. In contrast, the ocean never stopped to rest. Next, let me take you to the top of the mountain. Visualize yourself standing at the peak of the mountain, admiring the breathtaking view on all four sides. You see clouds rolling beneath you. You hear the sounds of the wind. You are captivated by the beauty of the earth from up above. You breathe in and allow the fresh air to fill your lungs. You take a moment to enjoy the view from the mountaintop. You realize that the mountain has sat in its place for thousands and thousands of years. Even as time passes, it continues to stand firmly onto the earth. Your hours, days, and years suddenly seems hardly a stretch. In comparison to the passage of time, the mountain endures. Finally, I invite you to look up at the vast, infinite, blue sky. You picture the blue sky dotted with fluffy white clouds that drifts lazily in the gentle breeze. You feel the warmth on your skin as the radiant rays of the sun blankets this earth. You admire the vibrant blue hues, almost like an endless painting. You take a moment to enjoy what you see. You realize that the sky is eternally blue, despite being covered by clouds from time to time. And everything that happens to you and to me happens below the same sky. The sky reminds you of the universality of humanity, regardless of where you may be. Nothing that happens to you is ever personal, and you are not alone in your struggles. The land, the sea, and the sky all have its stories. They never fail to remind us of the timelessness of our existence. You recall the stories. You feel the chaos in your life stand still in time. You feel your problems seems much smaller. You feel like you can slow down, and that there is always more time available. You no longer take things personally. You embrace what life throws at you, and you find the courage to write a story that is uniquely yours. You allow your crippling thoughts to become less significant in the grand scheme of things. Allow yourself to open up to the wider world and draw strength from the stories. Your problems may not go away, but your new perspective gives you a sense of peace and calm. You allow yourself to truly experience the comfort of timelessness. As we come to the end of this exercise, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Allow the comfort of timelessness to carry with you throughout the day. As you go back to your life, start looking out for the stories that the world has to share. Practice this exercise regularly, in your own words, in your own phrases, and at your own pace. Make the story your own. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this session. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.